Fact number 1. Giraffes same like human bone. Here's something that sounds impossible. Giraffes have incredibly long necks, but they have exactly the same number of neck bones as humans, just 7. The difference is that each bone is much longer than ours. Nature is amazing. Fact number 2. Flamingos are born gray. Think flamingos are naturally pink. Think again. Baby flamingos are actually born gray. Their feathers slowly turn pink because of the pigments in the shrimp and algae they eat. Fact number 3. Penguins propose with pebbles. Penguins can be surprisingly romantic. Some male penguins search for the smoothest pebble they can find and present it to a female. If she accepts it, they often use it to build their nests together. Fact number 4. Pineapples take 2 years to grow. The next time you eat a pineapple, remember this. It can take around 2 years for a single pineapple to fully grow. That's a long wait for one fruit. Fact number 5. Bees can recognize human faces. Believe it or not, bees can recognize human faces. They learn facial patterns and can remember them, even though their brains are tiny. Fact number 6. The moon is moving away. Every year, the moon moves about 3.8 centimeters farther away from Earth. It's a tiny distance, but over millions of years, it adds up. Fact number 7. Dolphins have names. Dolphins don't just make random sounds. Each dolphin has its own unique whistle. Almost like a name that other dolphins use to call it. Fact number 8. Sloths come down only once a week. Sloths spend almost their entire lives in trees. In fact, they usually come down only about once a week, and that's mainly to go to the bathroom. Fact number 9. Crows can remember human faces. Be careful how you treat a crow. Crows can recognize human faces and remember people who were kind or unkind to them for years. Fact number 10. Your nose can remember around 1 trillion smells. Scientists once believed humans had a poor sense of smell, but research shows your nose can actually recognize around 1 trillion different scents. Fact number 11. Rats love being tickled. Scientists discovered that rats actually enjoy being tickled, and they even make tiny laughter sounds that humans can't hear. Fact number 12. Goats have rectangular pupils. Goats don't have round eyes like us. They have rectangular pupils, making them look like they're always judging everyone. Fact number 13. Koalas sleep up to 22 hours a day. If sleeping were an Olympic sport, koalas would win gold. They can sleep up to 22 hours a day. Fact number 14. Ducks sleep with one eye open. Ducks can sleep with one eye open and half of their brain awake. They literally never stop keeping watch. Fact number 15. Frogs drink water through their skin. Frogs don't usually drink water with their mouths. They absorb it through their skin. Nature has some weird tricks.